Hi friends, as you can see I'm on my your house's roof. And do you know which place am I? I already told you where I was in my introduction video. So I'll show you around. Look, you can see everywhere around. Can you see it? And there. Can you see that? This is a very deep forest. Very deep. I'm telling you, just don't come here. You'll be stranded. But I do have, and look. You can see all around. And look there. Those two girls are playing. And you can see everywhere around. Isn't it nice? And look, there's a mango tree. And look, can you see a banana tree? And that, can you see? If in any other video, I'll show you down with here. Can you see? Around, you know, I'll make one the garden here. Can you see where am I pointing? Here, I'll make one garden. Wow, I love these places, greenery, but there aren't so many children. So let's go ahead. I'm going to the next part of this roof. Look, moss. Look. Look around. Can you see? And look, you can see around everywhere. Isn't it nice? Look, some plants. Now, I'm going home. Bye. Hey, I'm back. Now look, you can see a flower tree. I don't know which flower is it, but I know it's a flower tree. And look, two girls. There's one. And here's a cycle. Look around. Oh, isn't it beautiful? You can see it's very beautiful. Look, a lemon tree. Can you see that beside the mango tree? Can you see here, mango tree and lemon tree? Ooh, I forgot. Look, here's jamun tree. And many trees are here. I love this place much. And I don't usually care about the park because I always play badminton. So bye. This is the end of this video showing you around the roof. Bye bye.